Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am so excited to bring you this look today. We are doing a full transformation look. Yes, we're going to be going from this before to this after. And I'm so excited because I'm partnering with IGK and Sephora today. So I'll be showing you how I did the hair and the makeup. Let's get into it. First step, I'm using the IGK Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray. This spray is my number one thing that I always use as my first step before any hairstyle. Whether I'm blowing out my hair, curling my hair, I always start with this spray. I love it because it helps detangle the hair. It really helps control frizz as well, and it's also a heat protectant. Next, I'm using a fave product. This is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. This is a leave-in conditioning balm. My hair has been feeling really dry ever since I got it colored, so I need a little bit of extra hydration. This totally does that. It instantly boosts your hair's hydration, but it's still a really light formula, so it doesn't weigh your hair down. So I love applying this, again, whether I'm blowing out, leaving my hair curly. This is another must-use product. Last step for hair prep, I'm using the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Blowout Balm. Since I am blowing out my hair today, this blowout balm is going to be the key. It's heat activated and it completely transforms the texture of your hair. It creates this super smooth, sleek texture without weighing your hair down, which is so important because I feel like a lot of blowout creams can do that. So it comes out as a thick cream, but then it immediately melts into your hair as soon as you start blow drying. I know that I used a few products, but honestly, when I don't prep my hair properly before blowing it out, it always ends up looking frizzy, untamed, dull, dry. It never ever looks good. So using the right products to prep your hair makes such a difference. And you guys will see, I was blown away when I first used these products from IGK because I could not get over how sleek and shiny my hair looked from just blowing out. Usually I can only get this look if I use a flat iron, but then my hair ends up being really, really flat. So I don't really like using a flat iron. But I got this incredible shine, the incredible smoothness, the sleekness just from the products, and it looks amazing. Look at that, you guys. Like, I can't get over it. I can't get over how soft and smooth the hair looks. I like to use just any round brush to blow it out, and I always work in sections because I find it to be so much easier that way. This is how I do a blowout for my everyday looks. So I don't spend too much time on it, especially with the right hair prep. You don't need to. It can look amazing, as you guys will see in just a sec. So finishing off the rest of the look, I wish you guys could feel how soft and smooth my hair feels. I ended up going out after this video and I got so many comments about my hair. So it made me feel great. You can find IGK hair products at Sephora and Sephora.com. And they're currently having the Sephora savings event right now, April 1st to April 11th. All right, babes, let's get into this makeup. I'm prepping my skin with the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. This has become one of my absolute favorite foundations. It just creates the most beautiful finish on your skin. And the shade Sahel is my perfect match. This has been my go-to for a while now. I'm using the Makeup by Mario bronzer in the shade Light Medium to give a little bit of warmth and glow to my skin. And of course, no look would be complete without a blush. You guys know I love blush. This is one of my, if I was stuck on an island without anything and I can only pick 3 makeup products, this blush would definitely be one of those products for me. For mascara, I'm using Item Beauty mascara. If you love long lashes, this is the mascara for you. It makes your lashes extra long. To top off the lips, I'm using this beautiful shade from YSL. I will link all the products for you guys down below in the description box. They are all available at Sephora, Sephora.com. And I topped it off with this beautiful gloss from Too Faced. And this has kind of just been my go-to look lately. It's fresh, it's effortless. I love the hair, I love the makeup. Thank you so much for IGK and Sephora for partnering with me on this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did and have fun trying out this look. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on Instagram at Eman and on TikTok at Eman Makeup. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.